Hello everybody, I'm Warfare Scofield 2 Gaming, and today I'm going to remake North Ark Animal Race with African animals. The video requested by Creature Cow. Thanks for the request and please enjoy the video. Now let's start the race. The animals. Make it. And the animals. We're making it. Versus the animals. Making it. And the scorpions. Oh my god, they're dangerous. And the banana ants. And the sky hyenas. They made it. They're trying to push the door. Can they do it, guys? I think that is useless. Yet they cannot push the door. And the animals. Versus the animals. I'm worried then about this that's occurring. Right freaking out. And the animals, yeah. They're getting on the North Ark. And they are so close to getting on the North Ark. The chameleons. The giraffes. The ocean. The foliage, the phoenix foxes, the gazelles, the hippopotamuses, they made it, and the cheetahs, they made it. I cannot believe I'm talking like this, by the way. I'm talking like this because I'm talking like Forrest because my voice keeps changing. I can change my voice to anything I never thought I had. Right now, this is the North Ark Animal Race with African animals. So, the scavenger ants, they made it. And the mongooses, they made it. Banana fruits, they made it. The shoebills, they made it. Larvae. Finally, 2 wildebeestes get on the North Ark. And the penguins. And the penguins. They made it, guys. The surfers. They made it. The rest is the animals. They only have 10 minutes to get on the North Ark. So that's plenty of time for the animals to get on the North Ark. Because this is the time that often get on the North Ark. Because the African animals, come on. Go faster. You have to go faster, everyone. And the zebras, they made it. The ostriches, they made it. The banana hares, they made it. And the tauruses, they made it. The African buffaloes, they made it. And the lions, they made it. My god, the Nile crocodiles, they made it.
Google Pixel 9a. For anyone who's been left out of the group photo, it's time to get in.
The African wild duck,
Google Pixel 9a.
they made it, guys. And both hyenas keep laughing at my face. And the king cobras, they make it. And let's go inside the common room. I wonder who's laughing at me. I know. Go for hyenas. So the three cup hyenas. Anyway, the vultures. They made it. The lemurs. They made it. The warhogs too. And the camels. And all the African animals. Yeah, they made it. And the time is over. Now, all the African animals, they all made it by running. Now, it's time for tsunami. Oh, the baby camel, it made it. Now, it's time for the tsunami to come. It's time for the tsunami to come. Oh my god, everyone watch out. Yeah, everything's under the water, guys. And wolves the animals. Yeah. We have 100 African animals survive. Yeah, they survive. And congratulations for all African animals that made it. And now I'll be fortunate to be drowned by the big flood, guys. And so, this is the end. Oh, wait a minute. They take full of them. Here we go. There we go. That's nightfall. Now, this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video.